I will guide you through setting up email forwarding in your Gmail account. This allows you to automatically send a copy of all your incoming messages to any other email address you choose. Open your Gmail inbox on your computer. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon, which opens your settings menu. From the drop-down list, click on the button that says See All Settings. This action opens a new page with multiple tabs running across the top. Look for the tab labeled Forwarding and POP IMAP and click on it. Near the top of this section, click on the gray button that says Add a Forwarding Address. A small pop-up window will appear in the middle of your screen. Type the exact email address where you want your messages to go, then click Next. Another window will open to confirm the address. Click Proceed. Now, Gmail requires a security check to ensure you own that second account. Open a new browser tab, log into that other email inbox, and look for a verification message from Gmail. Inside that message, you will find a long confirmation link. Click that link, then click the Confirm button on the web page that opens. Once confirmed, go back to your main Gmail settings page and refresh your browser window so the changes update. Go back to the Forwarding and POP IMAP tab. You will see that the feature is still disabled by default. Click the radio button next to the option that says Forward a copy of incoming mail to. In the drop-down menu right next to it, select the email address you just verified. Now that goes both ways when it comes to managing your space. Right below that option, you can choose what happens to the original email in your current inbox. You can keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, mark it as read, archive it, or delete it completely. The important thing is to manage your storage wisely so your main inbox does not fill up. After making your choice, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. You will now see a bright banner at the top of your Gmail inbox stating that you are forwarding your email. In my case, I prefer keeping the original copy in the main inbox, just as a backup. This notification banner will stay visible for 7 days to remind you that the forwarding rule is active, but it will disappear automatically after that week passes. From this point forward, every new message sent to this Gmail account will instantly redirect to your second inbox.